Assembly instructions for the Cappelletto Bettina Studio Easel. Step 1. Lay out the base parts, which include 2 Part M's and 2 Part C's. Insert the 2 Part C into the slots on the sides Part M and secure using 4 Z1 bolts. Step 2. Attach the 2 small back supports to the base using 2 X screws. Note, make sure that when you attach the supports that the smaller of the 2 holes is being used. The larger hole will need to attach to the other end later. Step 3. Flip the base upside down and push in the 4 casters into the holes shown. Step 4. Lay out parts N, D1, and D2 as shown and insert N into the slots of D1 and D2. Make sure that part N has the flat part of the brass steps in the middle of the part facing to the top or part D1. Lay out the 2 part Ds as shown and insert parts D1 and D2 into the sides. Secure using 4 of the Z2 bolts. Step 5. Lay out parts H and Y both facing down. Part H should have the cut groove on the sides towards the back or facing up towards you as you attach the 2 together. Insert the 2 part U wooden dowels into the 2 larger holes and then push part H onto the dowels. Secure using 2 part V screws. Slide part H onto the main frame from earlier from the bottom up as shown. This is done by slotting H into the grooves of the cross support and slotting the slides of part Y into the grooves of the main side uprights. Step 6. Lay out the 2 main parts of the easel that you should now have assembled as shown and will now attach the 2 parts together using 2 parts R, S, and T at the bottom connections and 2 parts O, P, and Q at the upper connections. Step 7. Slide on the center mast part L from the top of the easel down and secure using 1 part G, which will be screwed into the back side of the mast. Finally, slide on the top canvas support A and secure using 1 part G.